G'day and welcome. My name's Jim and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove some spam off your 3D prints. Okay, so this is going to be a present for somebody and they're never going to go to this person's website and download their shit and use a 3D printer because they don't use that kind of thing. They don't even know what a bloody 3D printer is. So no point in having this here and it looks like crap. So I'm just going to wipe that off. And I'll show you how to do it real quickly. Some of these things, some other reasons you might want to do it. That one's not too bad. It's just one right in the middle of nowhere. They could have done it underneath there, would have been better. But like these, they've just got it like some of these models. They just smash their shit all over it. So there is occasions where you want to try and get rid of some of this stuff. I'll show you how to do these indented ones so quickly and easily. I just got some putty fucking wall filler shit here, and it's like really chalky stuff. It's water based, and it's just like, I don't know, it sort of feels like toothpaste, but it's gritty. So anyway, just grab that and mash it in there like this. Mash it in there properly. Right. And we can wipe it off like such. Once it's dry, now I'm going to use some UV activated resin. Pour that in there, put the lid on it because otherwise I'll spill the shit everywhere, because I do every time without fail. Grab a very crap brush because this is going to half destroy it, and just put a coating straight over the top of it like such. And what you can even do, if you're able to tilt your model in the proper direction, you can actually, didn't even need to put the white shit in there, you could just fill this up with that. Now the only trouble is when you do just fill up a whole thing like that and you put UV light on it, underneath doesn't really set at the same time the top does, so you can get really bad wrinkles and stuff like that in it, which is why I decided to put the putty underneath it. Okay, let's see if it worked. There you go. That'll do it. That's how you can simply and quickly remove spam off your prints. And for anybody out there saying, oh, that's not fair on the people that made these, or invented them, or CAD designed them, or whatever, most of these are just stolen from each other over and over again. They just take their own names off and take other people's names off and put their own on. So yeah, you'll see these by 6 different people and they've got 6 different names on them, so they didn't all bloody make them. So that's how you can quickly and easily get rid of spam off your 3D prints anyway. Well, there you go. Hope you liked the video. I have 3 other channels. You can find them in the descriptions below. Feel free to check them out. Plenty of stuff to watch. I want to thank my Patreons, Mitch, Jackson and Blake, Legend Boys. If you want to be a legend too, head over to Patreon for exclusive videos and talk to me live. Or if you're broke like me, I get $1 for every 1,000 videos watched. So next time you go out, put on one of my playlists for your dog or your cat, or maybe even your goldfish might want to watch. So until next time, you all be good, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Play the music!
Techno.
Cosmopolitan Railway.